Hi, I'm Karen Travato, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to scrapbook with a pre-made layout. So first we need a couple things. We need a pair of scrapbooking scissors, our pre-made layout that comes in usually in a pack of paper. We need a photo, and we need some embellishments. I have some ribbon, some little metal bits, and some stickers. We also need adhesive. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with a piece of paper that is a little bit larger than our photo. Our photo is 5 by 7 and our extra paper is 6.5 by 8.5. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to mat our picture onto our paper. So we're going to take the adhesive and just roll a little bit onto the picture. And then we're going to center it on our mat. Okay. So now our picture is matted onto our paper. Now, the first thing before I put my picture onto my scrapbook layout, I want to decide where my title is going to go so that I know I have enough room on my page. So I'm going to pick out my title from my various sticker sheets, and I'm going to select this one that says The Ones We Love. And we're just going to peel that off, and we're going to position it on the pre-made layout wherever we want it to go. Okay. And then we're just going to press down so that it's adhered to the paper, and it'll look like that. So next we want to decide where we want our picture to go. And I'm going to put my picture so that it's about right here, because that's the white space that the pre-made layout already gives us. So I'm just going to adhere that down, and you don't want to go crazy with the glue, because if you decide to move it, if you're not happy with it, you won't be able to pull it off. So I'm just going to turn that over and center it on our page. Okay, and then we're just going to press down and adhere that. So far our page looks like this. Okay. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon just to dress up the scrapbook page. And I like to start with making a bow, and I like to make my bow before I tie it onto the page, just because you can usually get it to lay a little bit flat. So you're just going to make the ends into a bow, and I have plenty of extra ribbon so that when I cut it, I don't have to worry about it being too short. So I'm just going to tie my bow, and I'm going to cut my ends so that they're on an angle so that the ribbon doesn't fray. And then I'm going to cut my ribbon so that I have a bow in the center and two ends. Now what I'm going to do is I just want my ribbon to go across my page like this, but behind my picture. So I didn't use a lot of glue, so I'm just going to be able to feed this right through underneath where my picture is. And have my bow stick out up at the top. Okay. Then you just want to put a little bit of adhesive on the back of the ribbon so that it secures to the page, and fold it behind. And then you'll do the same thing to the other side. Just press that down. Now on the reverse side of your paper where the extra ribbon is, you're just going to cut off the extra and then flip it back over. Once it goes into a scrapbook page, nobody will see the back, so it doesn't have to be pretty. Okay. Now the next thing that we're going to do is add a couple other embellishments. And I'm going to go to my stickers first and just pull off anything that you think matches with the page. This is a wedding photo, so I'm going to use two little owls and make them kind of like lovebirds. So I'm just going to put that down on the edge of my page and take my owl stickers. Place them on the tree branch that I used. I'm going to put them kind of close together so that they're on the bottom of the page. And that's it. Now you have the scrapbook page.